Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious carne asada. But before we get started, I do want to thank Current for sponsoring this video. Current is a mobile bank account that comes with a Visa debit card that has no minimum balances, no overdrafts, and no hidden fees. Look how pretty the card is. The Black Premium card gets you paid up to 2 days faster when you set up your direct deposit with Current. So for example, if you get paid on Friday with Current, you'll get your paycheck on Wednesday. Who doesn't like to get their money sooner? Like that, you can get your head start on your grocery shopping. Current gives you a bank account and a real debit card without having to worry about all the requirements and fees of an old bank or sketchy prepaid cards. You can connect your Current card to Cash App, get cashback at the register, and also you can deposit your checks using your camera. Your Current tag, you can send and receive money into your account for free. No more waiting for days or paying a fee to use immediately the money that your friends send you. The app notifies you when you spend, automatically helps you save money with saving pods. Current has 24/7 support through chat. They're there whenever you need them. Plus, Current even has bank accounts for teens under 18. Current works with Apple Pay and Google Pay on your phone. It's available in the US, and it only takes 2 minutes to sign up and have your Current card shipped to you for free. Download Current now. I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out. So now let's get into making our carne asada. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe, we're going to need 2 pounds of flank steak, 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 small white onion, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a half a cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of California chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by cutting our onion and cilantro. Alright, so we're going to grab our onion and we're going to cut it in little rings. So now we're just going to break them apart until we have our little rings. Now I'm just going to transfer them into a bowl. And now for our cilantro, I'm just going to cut it. Just like that. And then place them with our onions. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab the juice from our lime and our orange. Okay, so now let's mix everything together. Alright, so in the bowl that we're going to let our meat marinate, I'm going to transfer all of our spices and create our marinade. So I'm going to add the black pepper. Make sure we get all of it. Salt. The onion powder. The California chili powder. The chili powder, oregano, cumin, add a minced garlic. We're going to add our vinegar, our olive oil, and the lime orange juice. So we're just going to mix it all together. So now we're going to add our cilantro and onions. And now we're going to add our meat. So we're just going to make sure that all of our meat gets coated with the marinade. So just move it around. Alright, so now I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. The longer, the better. Alright guys, so after letting my meat marinate for 8 hours, this is what it looks like. So we are now ready to put it in the grill. So I'm just going to mix it one more time. Okay, let's go to the grill. And we're just going to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Alright, so after 5 minutes, I'm going to flip my meat and cook that for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our meat should be done. So now I'm just going to remove it from the grill. And I'm going to place it on a little tray and close it with foil. And let it sit for about 10 minutes. Just so like that it can finish cooking. Alright guys, so once we're ready to serve, we're going to cut our meat. And you want to cut against the grain. So I'm just going to serve my carne asada with rice and potato. Let's see. Perfect. Now if you want your meat well done, then of course you're going to cook it longer. But this is perfect. And let me tell you, that's delicious. Now another thing, if you're planning to use your carne asada in your tacos, tortas, carne asada fries, or anything else, for me, I find it better to cut the meat before I marinate it. But because today we're just going to serve it like that, so this is fine. Oh, so juicy, tender, flavorful, so delicious. I'm ready to eat. Alright, so I'm going to serve my carne asada with some rice and a baked potato. Cut my potato and put some butter on that. So it can melt. I'm gonna grab my meat. Grab my avocado. My salsa, so of course we need some salsa. My queso fresco. Más chile. And my tortillas. And that's how we're going to eat tonight. I am ready. Let's go. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
I am ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes?
Get this. Little bit of this.
Got the tortilla, because come on, you cannot eat carne asada without tortilla.
Exactly.
I'll grab my meat here.
Yeah.
My mouth is so watery.
Alright.
Got my rice, chile.
Some of that.
You ready? Cheers. So good. Definitely worth it. What'd you say? What'd you say?
I filled it up too much.
Whoops. It is so good. And like I said, You know, carne asada, of course, you can eat it with anything and everything. With all your Mexican recipes, carne asada is like the best way to go. Family gatherings, you can never go wrong with carne asada. Like, come on. Right?
Yep.
Who doesn't like carne asada? Alrighty guys, and there you have it, my super easy and delicious carne asada. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Once again, please don't forget to check out the link in the description box so you guys can go download Current. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.